Walk. 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 Do y'all know how to say that guy's name? Slack, Six Slack, Black. What is his name? Get in tune, stupid! Listen me, please. Compare me to different MCs. We don't skip Durk in this car. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a My Lit playlist. I haven't done one of these in like over a year or two. I used to do them when I was a good YouTuber and I actually filmed for y'all. But guess what? Let me just tell you real quick before the video starts. I have a lot going on. A lot of great things happening. I'm moving into a new apartment next week and I really have some really cute decorating ideas, and this is an apartment with just me, so it's not like I have to like share decorating ideas or have to work around what else somebody else is like. This is going to be size house, size room, size kitchen, size front room, size bathroom, size everything. And I am just so excited because I'm living by myself now. Like, oh my gosh. So I'm not filming in my house because I've kind of took everything down and I'm packing. Everything is in like big ass boxes. But a lot is going to be going on. You know, when you go into a different space, you do something big, like a big move, and you kind of step into a new, you know, part of your life. And I feel like that's what I'm doing. I have a lot more to film, areas to film. I plan on showing you guys a lot of DIY hacks that I'm going to be doing to make it look like my own and to make it look like a house and everything. So I'm really excited to get back to the old side. I'm really over this wig stuff. Like, I'm tired of filming about wigs. I've literally told companies just stop sending me wigs. Like, I don't want to review wigs right now. Please stop sending me wigs. I don't want that shit. Anyways, I'm back. So I'm about to just you know, play some songs that are part of my car playlist that I listen to when I get in the car. Get me crunk and hyped and whatever word you want to use. Lit, teed, I don't know what this generation uses anymore. My first song, I'm just gonna shuffle it. All of my boys coyotes, we sticking together, we coming like shoutouts. Put a track on that bitch if you love her, cause she coming through like a gold squad. I got different designers all over. Now everybody should know this song by No Cap, Ghetto Angels, okay? I know we all got some. Recording with this lid on me. Know it sounds strange, but I'ma die for all my dead homies. Nobody really know how he feel. I always thought that you would be here. Why did you leave when you was here? How would it be? Oh, I'm protected by these ghetto angels. Run that shit back! I had some bitches on my line. I told them bitches get they lips. Like that dope, where them bows at? Search for his gun, where his pole at? We on his ass, where his shows at? He get away, we on his ass, where he parole at? I be hating when these rappers call these rappers brothers. Only the family on my ass, bitch, we got each other. Period, Durkio. Smarkio. We don't skip Durk in this car. We don't do that. Okay? We don't skip him. We don't skip Vaughn. We don't skip Lil Fo. We don't skip Lizelle Osama. And we don't skip Herb. And we damn sure don't just play Finito by Chief Keef. So, try again. We gon' smoke a pound of runs at the Oscars. She fucked on a hooper and a boxer. Came to my crib in this box. I came from Harold's Chicken to eat lobster. If you don't know where Harold's Chicken is, don't speak on it. Just know, being down here in Louisiana, I really miss me some Harold's Chicken. Fuck you, you ain't showing no love. This shit crazy. Hopping out. Fuck around with you, I've been throwed off late. Stay down, gotta stay down. Otherwise, I'ma make my rounds no cap. Don't discriminate, I want a rich shot. Shorty showing up. Do y'all know how to say that guy's name? Slack, Six Slack, Black. What is his name? Like, drop in the comments, like, the pronunciation, how y'all say it. Also, let me know if y'all mess with Durk. Because a lot of people out of the states, you know, in different states other than Chicago and Illinois, they fuck with Durk. now because, you know, he's collabing with all these other artists. And before, we really don't want to mess with that because we don't trust everybody. But he's collabing with everybody, and people are starting to listen to Durk and understand he's really raw as heck. And yeah, so let me know if you mess with Durk, and if you got this deluxe album, the Voice Deluxe album, let me know. Hellcat, this a demon. My car's push start, we be leaving them. Now it's too late to try to cut me in. I went hard for 2 years straight, and all that the nigga wanted was to win. Baby, these EVs not CZ. I just put 100 on my wrist. I hope y'all didn't click on this video thinking I was about to sing to y'all, give y'all a concert. I'm just putting y'all on to some lit songs. Now this one right here, is a classic.
Money, hold on, gotta cut a lot of orders, dollars, quarters.
Yo, bitch, wanna, come on, ayy, Hana, Coca, ayy, ayy. I love Gunna. I wish he was cuter, but we love Gunna. Now, somebody put me on to this song, and I never stopped listening to it since then. Shout out to you. You know who you are. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, bitch. Don't worry about it, bitch. You mine. I'm with steppers. Not no rock nigga gon' slap. I'm trying to stop us, boy. You just yapping. You want attention? Come get the clappers. You want attention? Go meet the slappers. Fucking we ball. We in a party, we in a
We getting money, we getting cards, and we getting I got the hookah, who got the bottles, who got the Got a new bitch, got a new body, got a new He got that hush throat, yeah, but he got that good.
My heart is breaking.
My heart is breaking. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Runner, she's a track star. She gon' run away when it gets hard. She can't take the pain, she can't get scarred. She hurt anyone that gets involved. Don't wanna commit, I'll take it this far. She gon' do the race, just not this one.
Everybody knows that song. It's sad that we really have to really find out who these real artists is through TikTok. But hey, thank you, TikTok. Anyways, go follow me on TikTok, exclusively Soooo. I'm kind of new to TikTok. I really wasn't in a dancing mode during the pandemic. I was kind of going through my own little situations. But now I'm ready to showcase my talent. So go ahead and follow me right now. I'm not going to play that song till y'all do it. All right, let's get it. 61st or 64th, ain't nobody on that porch. Ain't nobody got a 30. Everybody trying to score.
Catch some light and get the blick, and he won't blick me in.
Ain't know the run. My Glock a golden gun. How you trying to be for me? You don't even own a gun.
Yo, no homie down, you ain't big black. Who gave little folks a gun? All these bitches suck.
I just licked that. Even though it's like my steering wheel, you know your hands are really germy when you get in the car. Dumb shit, you know they don't want to with it on me. I say stump him, then that's when they stepping on your homie. I say stretch him, catch me murder walking, then I bang, pushing next to them. Rook out, draw down on you, what you saying? Don't call a red phone. He already dead. Caught that nigga from that, then they did him bad. Bang, baby, had to fight a jail in different pairs. Shit, check out shit with PayPals with certain affairs. Spending we stuck on him. I wish I could spit in. This ain't OG, this shit smoking, this shit thirst for real. This that shit that had you choking and got two could kill. Niggas chasing clout and claiming bodies they ain't do for real. And my bitch got ass shots, but I promise that the strap is real. This ain't no G, this shit smoking, this shit thirst for real. Kill out of his things for real. Niggas ain't game for real. Niggas go to jail and fail. I see hits from my cell. Bad bitch post my bail. Straight fuck 12. All these bills came from the cartel. When we hear this in the party, we be like, knock your legs off. I just named him Randy Moss. Ride with a G-Shot. I heard he shot. Durk make a beat. With my motherfucking heat. Run and get it started.
It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Stop playing, slide the pennies to the side. Trying to walk me down the aisle, I ain't your bride. What's biggest in your pocket, say pride. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Stop playing, slide the pennies to the side. Trying to walk me down the aisle, I ain't your bride.
Bitch, get out your feelings and get in your bag. You could dream all you want, but you can't be tagged. I get paid to go out, you go outside.
For the nigga,
He rap horrible.
I delete a number.
Shit was horrible.
Nigga punch it, I'm looking at that last. Yeah.
Walk,
Feel
walk,
model.
walk, walk,
Plug.
walk,
Draco.
walk,
Now he can't.
walk.
For the nigga,
I really don't want to put y'all on to her if you don't already know who she is, but I mean, I got to. And she about to spit that. The same bitches hating the same hoes that won't say shit. How the fuck you real when you kicking it with a fake bitch? I don't trust hoes when they got it, hoes be on snake shit. Same bitch that claim she flexing really in fake drip. I don't got sympathy for no hurt bitch. Bitch ain't got a job but brag. But if I ever drop a bag on the bag, this pussy be talking cash. Keep it What?
on my
What? And this song make me wanna get crunk like that. Cause I be related to her. Like, for real though. Yeah. Right. What? What you say?
They want to eat off me. When I had my vision, you couldn't see.
I'm off the better things.
I'm only doing shit that's gonna make me elevate.
I'm to the pain.
Yeah.
And I'm like, yeah.
Everybody, I can't trust nobody. I need me to party.
Don't invite me to no party, bitch. Pull up in it. It's up. Big ass. I get that. Ooh. You must not know me, baby.
come in your mouth, do it.
Don't stop. Ooh.
Keep going, keep sucking it out. I'm different when it comes to say.
We don't skip her in this car.
Real nigga till I leave. Elevated, do this rapping shit with ease. I got a brick on my sleeve. You
Listen me, please. Compare me to different MCs. Stop it. I really am the shit, so I'll pop it.
Before Twitter was a trending topic, I was on the block with 30 shots and Glocks, had the spot hopping. Stubborn, but they acting like they don't remember that. Been a leader with that heater, I got right up into that. You can't never take a killing back. Whole heart was in the streets, I had to leave and get my fucking feelings back. Same spot they shot my brother.
Next day I'm chilling it. I ain't lying, they was winning till we started spinning back. But anyway, said enough of that. Let's talk about this paper. Let's talk about them jets. Yeah, let's talk.
We sticked up this chopper city. Yeah. Look at him feeling walking with that felony. Gang 5, that's cold. We gon' kill a bitch that been red for shit. Say put the bitch up in rotation. Four steps, that's four face. Gas bag, that's border face.
Yeah.
Cake, that's kind of the
I've been trying to move in without the U-Haul.
in the back of that bitch, smoking the new in the label for free, this shit like new You gon' find me winning, I don't care who lost. Still working, I don't know when it's gon' play out. Every bitch I had up,
Put her on the radar.
one day she know it's up there, we get this paper. Don't be shy to tell her where
That I made ya.
I want you to hold me.
Coding in my body, my blood.
You looking at
Don't tell the group chat, don't let your girls know.
Be happy to see you down.
They be happy to see you down.
And my heart cold, but you heat it up. Get you to the crib, make it beat it up.
But I love you. That's why I'm into you, my baby. That's why I'm into you, my wifey. You stepped into a boss situation.
Turned up with the young
Generation.
Tryna give you dick,
You can't take it. So I try to save a lot of songs for a different video. I want to do like a in my feelings like / vibe with me playlist. I want to like play some like lit stuff that I be playing in my car. So my next video, if you guys like this one, and if you guys watch this one, and if you guys comment and do things that, you know, viewers and subscribers are supposed to do, which is interact with me as well. If you guys comment below and let me know that you want another playlist video, then I for sure am gonna do one. And if you don't want one, I'm still gonna do it. My next video is gonna be, my next playlist video is gonna be like a vibe with me / in my feelings playlist. I'll be playing Rod Wave, Brent Fayez, Summer Walker, SZA, Party Next Door, Ella May, Doja Cat. that's the one you want to definitely be in tune for. But this is just a little shake back, like I'm here, I'm still here, I'm still a real person, you feel me? And you know, get into this natural beat done by me, frontal done by me. Get in tune, stupid. Thank y'all for watching this video. I really do love y'all. You know, glad you guys came with me on this journey to listen to my music and just vibe with me outside my house. I'm gonna go upstairs, finish packing, and I can't wait to show you guys my new apartment, and maybe I'll vlog with you guys. You guys can go shopping with me, like, oh my god.